Hey everyone, this week I've got a couple Mercedes-Benz products to review. First one up is a Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC. This would have been mid to late 80s. Pretty iconic car from the time period. These have aged very well in my eyes. A little dated, but just classic. Great proportions. This is by KK scale. This is diecast, but non-opening. KK scale kind of takes up the middle of the range in terms of sort of value priced. It's kind of a nice alternative to resin, and a lot of times priced half as much as resin. So again, nothing opens, but the unique thing compared to resin is the steering wheels, which is kind of nice, and there's a little bit of a suspension. Paint works decent. I mean, this is maybe only a couple notches above a Barago Maisto. And again, it's priced accordingly, really. It's a non-opening, non-mesh, non-open grille. Headlights aren't too bad. Interior detail, not bad. This would retail for about $79. I got this on sale from American Excellence for $45, and I got free shipping because I spent over $150. At that price, certainly not mad at it. They do a couple other colors. This is, I think, one of the better ones on offer. Packaging, it's one of 1,000. Says it right there. It's not numbered, but again, at this price, I wouldn't expect it to be. Normal styro insert. On the other end of things, we've got opening diecast here with a Mercedes-Benz X-Series, and you might be saying, well, I've never seen that before. Well, it's a pickup truck, and just kind of like another example, the VW Amarok, I think it's called. We do not get this in America because of what's called the chicken tax. You're welcome to Google that, but it's this silly thing where, kind of to protect the American pickup trucks, we heavily tax pickup trucks that are not made in America. So this is by Norev. We have opening details, opening features, except the rear doors don't open. It drives me nuts when they cheap out on that. This would have had a pretty reasonably high retail of about $100 to $120 or so. I think I paid $50 on discount wholesale models. We do have carpeting. Interior details decent. Again, Norev has kind of become a value-priced auto art alternative, or kind of a Kyosho alternative, similar quality to the older Kyoshos. And also, annoyingly, no underhood detail. Kind of random. So all you have is opening doors and an opening trunk. You've got decent chassis detail. This is not numbered. Does have working suspension. Again, for $50, not mad at it. Pretty good model. $120, I have higher expectations, like open mesh, which this does not have. I'd expect an opening hood. I mean, really, what's the point of diecast if you're going to have so few opening features? Color's pretty nice, paint's pretty good, no real noticeable flaws. Typical packaging of a Norev. Styro insert, window box. Nothing too exciting there. Fairly quick one this week, nothing too exciting. I did actually splurge and buy a few new cars, so the queue is getting a little more interesting. So tune in next week for some new stuff. Everyone have a good one.